be a little different video because well, we're on vacation and we didn't want to miss a week.
We wanted a video out for you guys.
So we're going to get some tools and stuff and show you, and guys, and show you little clips of what we're doing out here at the beach.
But next week is going to be...
Oh, next week we're getting right back on the cars.
Yes.
So look at that though.
Yeah, look at that view. It's amazing.
All right, guys, we'll see you in a second. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're excited to tell you we're at the beach right now.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So we're not working on no cars today. But guys, we're going to come to you. We're going to go find some stuff when we go inland and try to find some parts for the cars and tools.
Tools and whatever we can find, so stay tuned for that.
So we'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, everybody, this is the fam. Look, we got
Mom here.
Amanda. We got
Papa.
Hello.
We got Allie. And so we're enjoying vacation, but we're going to show you a little bit clips here and there, but we're going to look for tools.
Look for tools.
So let's do it.
All right, guys, we're going to head to some pawn shops here at the Panama City Beach and see if they compete with theirs, local pawn shops.
We're going to hit 2 of them and see what we think.
Yeah, we're going to take Papa with us.
Oh,
Hello,
yeah.
How are you? And we're going to go have some fun. Let's go find some tools. Guys, well, we just ate some good food here at
Pineapple Willy's. It was really good. Look at the view at the restaurant. It's amazing.
We got a few tools and we spent the exact same amount of money as we did in Maryland.
$3 less.
$3 less.
So when we get back to the hotel, we're going to show you the tools we got and then show you the rest of our day. So let's get to it.
All right, guys, I'm fired up. We went to the pawn shop earlier.
We went to 2.
We went to 2, but one was great. I mean, we found some good stuff here. The people were awesome. We went to the second one. Didn't enjoy it. We didn't buy it. Yeah, we did buy something.
One thing.
For $1. But guys, you got to check this stuff out. We're at Panama. Look at this view, man.
Yeah, it's amazing.
We had to take a break and enjoy this because our little baby's back here laying in bed resting.
She's going to help us
video for us. She's been through a lot, so we brought her to take it easy on the beach.
Oh, yeah.
So
Here's
guys,
a glance of the stuff. And we're going to talk about each thing in a second.
Yes.
Well, you know me and Snap-on stuff, so I had to find something. I searched for a while in their piles of stuff, found a Snap-on screwdriver, which is a very big Phillips head. Don't know if I'll ever use it, but we got all this stuff for, what was it, $40, $47? So not bad.
Now this
is very exciting though.
Yeah, he likes Snap-on, but this next tool we need.
We were wanting to buy, and we were looking at a Craftsman one because it was just cheap. And then we found this Proto tool. And tell them what this tool is for.
That is for working on your drum brakes. It's to take the springs off and all that good stuff.
That's a Proto. That's a name brand right there.
Yeah, that was a good find right there.
And then right here we got a SK Wayne 5/8 wrench in good shape, really good shape.
Yeah, that's good. I like SK.
I did too.
Because it's made in the USA.
Oh yeah. We got another SK 9/16 in perfect shape. All I got to do is clean it up. And now this one's a different story. This one will need restored. Because look at that. It's a half-inch.
But Hunter on our second channel, Price Kustoms
Tool Restoration.
Tool Restoration.
Then we got 2 more SK Wayne wrenches. A 1/2 inch and 7/16.
And show them the one I had to have.
Well, I said we had to have it.
Yeah, but I fell in love with it.
Didn't even know what it was. And it's a little SK Wayne crescent wrench.
But it's froze up.
It's froze up, so I'm going to have to restore it and clean it up and everything. But look how small that is. Like,
but you know, I would use that.
I would tell you, I'd just put it in my pocket and carry it around.
What pocket?
Not in this shirt, but here was the thing for that one pawn shop that we was about.
And, you know, this is for a distributor. That
we have a
wondering
tool
how
for
it
a
worked.
distributor, and we wondered how it worked. And it takes this piece right here because it puts the 3/8 in on this side and then on this side, and you can use it. And then we got another snap-on. It's a little bent, but that's okay. It's a 9/64 Allen, so that's good.
Snap on.
Oh yeah. Then we got our Torx right here, T27 snap-on, and it has some white stuff on it. Like it looks kind of like concrete, not concrete,
We'll
but
clean it.
sheetrock dust. But I'll clean that up. Pretty nice. And then something I was very excited about. When I saw this was the first thing that I wanted to buy. This is what took up most
Look
of the
at
money.
the price of it.
$31. And it's a plumb ratchet. And this thing's from World War II. And listen to it. In perfect shape.
And that's
So I'm just
insane.
gonna clean this up and we'll use it because I mean
That's a
it's
gold
really
mine
cool.
from World War II.
I would've
I mean,
never
that's
thought to
really
see
a
that.
collector's piece.
I know, and we're
but
gonna use it.
We're going to use it.
Use our
We're going to
tools.
use it to build that Mustang Nova.
Because we use our tools.
Yeah.
Every single one of them.
Everyone in right, Amanda? Oh, she's over.
But that's all of the stuff we got from that one from the pawn shop.
Oh, so tell them what we're going to do tomorrow in the morning.
Well, tomorrow morning we're gonna, of course, go outside and set up our tent and everything early in the morning. Then we're gonna go to the pawn shop, and there was some other things we saw but we didn't want to get at that moment. I think we're gonna get it because they're good and we're making good deals with us. So we're gonna go back there and support their business.
Yes. So we'll see you tomorrow. What's up, guys? Well, we're heading back out. Look at this car in front of us. What is that, Hunter?
It looks like a Challenger in there.
And you know where they're from?
Tennessee.
Tennessee, baby. But that is a bad car. It's got the, what is that on the back? Spoiler?
It's like a ducktail.
Oh, yeah. It's got the splitter up front. It looks pretty good. I like them cars. But we're going to go see if we can find some more tools early. We get up early to do this part.
Well, not that early because the pawn shops around here
They
open at 9 a.m.
9 o'clock. That's so weird to me. But I do get up early because I set up the tent at 5 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, that's a little
Because
crazy.
if you don't set up a tent at 5 o'clock, you don't get oceanfront. You got to sit rows back. Makes no sense. Who gets up that early on vacation?
I know.
I did. Oh my goodness.
C8 Corvette. That is a nice color too.
Ooh, I like his Jeep right here too. I tell
Oh,
you
yeah.
what, you do see some pretty cool cars here. Like,
Well, I know last year I saw 2 Lamborghinis.
you know what's really cool is some of the trucks here.
Yeah, they're really decked
Oh
out.
man, but I cannot wait to get that Apache going. And I probably won't carbureted, but once we get it
LS.
fuel injected, LS it. We
We
might
might
drive that thing down here.
Bring it on vacation one year.
Well, you'll have to drive it because I have to drive your mom in. So,
Yeah,
like,
but let's head on to the pawn shop.
all right, guys. Well, we went to one pawn shop and it was kind of overpriced, I believe.
Yeah, it was.
So we're going back to our little honey hole we found. Because
Oh, yeah.
They work with you over here.
Oh, yeah, they're
I
good
like
people.
pawn shops like this right here. Now this is Front Beach Road.
Yep.
Is that right? Front Beach Road, Panama City Beach. This pawn shop, we'll show you the name of it. You can come check them out whenever you come.
Oh, yeah.
If you're down here at Panama City Beach, because they're cool. They got stuff in here and they're willing to work with you.
Nice people.
Nice people.
So we'll show you when we get
All
there.
right, see.
Push it off where you can do it.
There it is. Boom. Two.
Oh. Or you
Oh,
don't.
my gosh.
Maybe this time. Hunter. You can put this on your channel.
And that's not going on the channel.
Good shot, Hallie.
Oh my gosh, Hallie.
Hallie's gonna get it in two.
Take your time. Don't hit it too hard.
Take your time. Get it in the
Yeah, you're lined up right there.
Come on, Jim. Oh, there you go.
All right, guys, we're fired up.
Oh, yeah.
Look what. Okay, starting from we got these.
We got this stuff right here.
from
You
here
saw that.
down. But so today we went back and we found this old pick, which the handle's not in the best
The
shape.
handle's not good at all.
Well, really, the pick's not that good, but it's snap-on. We thought something we could really use.
But we got
to
quite a bit of stuff, so the price was thrown in.
Yeah, so this right here is something Hunter's going to try to restore.
I doubt I'll be able to.
I mean, it's got some pretty deep pits in it.
Yeah, it's snap
But
on.
it's snap-on.
Then we got another snap on,
snap-on. And then these SKs right here.
which will finish out or set with
We'll
these.
finish that set. And then look, all this.
All these sockets, right? Those 3 rows are all snap-on sockets.
Snap-on sockets.
I was so excited to find those.
We thought we were buying all American-made
Yeah,
tools. Now we got all this SK set.
SK, and it came with this cool old SK case.
Check this out. This is an old vintage
It's
one.
really cool. And-
Look, it's $18.98.
Which you don't
back in
have
the day.
all the sockets in it, but I'm gonna try to
But
find
look
the
at that
rest.
box, though. It's pretty
It's
cool.
pretty cool.
Yeah, see, then it says SK Tools. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that.
But look, but what was mixed in there is 3 Craftsman,
3 Craftsman
USA.
USA.
But then we thought we were buying all American made, but then there's some Taiwan stuff. in
Yeah,
there.
5 of those.
5 of those.
But overall, I think we got a pretty good haul.
I think, what did we spend?
$87 for all this.
$87 for all.
But most of the price was this ratchet.
Yeah, I mean, think about it. It's all Snap-on and SK.
Yep,
Besides this,
The
what
Plum.
is this? Plum.
Plum.
And this is
Proto.
Proto.
So I mean, it's good name stuff.
Good name stuff, guys. But when you can always go to the beach and see what you can find, because we found that's not a bad deal.
Well, anywhere you go, you can always find stuff.
Yeah, you just go to some pawn shops and dig. Hunter dug today,
For a
just
while.
digging, and that guy's like, he done knew Hunter's name and everything. We made friends at the pawn shop. We're good at that, guys. But we've been on vacation.
Yep.
But we really appreciate all of y'all. This is gonna be a little different. We'll get back to going to work, and here's my little baby.
Mom.
Everyone, we thank you for everyone that had her in their thoughts.
Yes.
And prayers, because she was going to lose that foot, but now she's got it.
Yes. Thank God.
So we thank you all. So everyone, guys, make sure you give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we are getting back to the cars.
Yep.
So
next video is gonna be a car
next
video.
Car video. So let's get to work. See you later.
Peace.